My name is Richard Peske. I'm Vice President of Product Management for our video compression product line. What we do is we develop and design equipment and software for compressing video digital TV, so high definition TV, the new 4K TV. So what kind of options are available to a service provider for delivering linear broadcast TV? There's really two main options or two types of technologies that operators are looking to use. One are more traditional hardware-based or customized products that are really dedicated to do high quality, high performance video compression. An emerging category are really standard software products running on generic servers, generic data center type of products. There are a number of advantages and disadvantages to software-based transcoding. One of the important advantages is the ability to be able to dynamically use your resources. This is very important in services like video on demand or offline file-based transcoding. Another advantage that software systems have is flexibility. Because they're software, they're not tied to any particular function. So if you have new formats or new codecs or new capabilities you need to add, it can be very quick and very easy to add it in a software-based system. However, there's a number of disadvantages for software-based systems, especially for linear broadcast. One is that linear broadcast is on 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, 365 days a year. And so you're using the same amount of resources all the time. Another big disadvantage of software-based systems is that because they're generic, you are not optimal in terms of power and space. The other problem you have is that the life cycle of data center servers can typically be very, very short. Another technology that service providers look at is hardware-based or custom solutions that are dedicated towards video compression. Some of the key advantages are because it's customized hardware and is dedicated to the task of video compression, it's much more efficient use of your resources. So you have a lot less power, a lot better usage of space, fewer racks of equipment, much less cooling you need to consume when you're doing it in a customized hardware solution. Some of the new technologies with hardware-based systems overcome what were big disadvantages of the hardware in the past. Modern hardware systems are much more modular than in the past. You don't have to replace the entire chassis. You can just modularly replace components if they become obsolete. Another advantage of hardware-based systems is that they're really designed for live linear 24/7 operation or 5 nines of reliability. So they will last for a very long time. You can have life cycles of 8 to 10 or more years in the field, whereas software-based systems with generic hardware may have life cycles as low as 2 or 3 years. In addition, you have the ability to put on specialized or customized interfaces, so you don't have to have just generic IP interfaces. You can use specialized broadcast interfaces, RF inputs, etc. The right transcoding approach for linear video will come down then between hardware solutions and software solutions. If you look on balance, hardware systems typically perform much better for linear video. We've talked about the fact that they're much more reliable, they're much more better performance in terms of space and power. And because they're on 24/7, you really are losing a lot of the advantages of a software-based solution in being able to flexibly bring up and take down resources. So hardware systems on balance typically are a much better choice for a live linear broadcast.